From hobbyist to pro, how carbide burrs can transform your plastic molding process. You spend hours cleaning up molded parts or 3D printed components, only to end up with rough edges and uneven finishes. Using the right cutting tools for plastic can cut that time in half and give you cleaner, sharper results. The application of carbide burrs in plastic trimming might be the upgrade your process needs to move from hobbyist to pro. Introduction to carbide burrs. Carbide burrs might just be the secret weapon you need for cleaner and smoother finishes. They are essential tools that can transform your approach to plastic work. Understanding carbide burrs. These tools are crafted from high-quality materials, making them durable and long-lasting. Whether you're cutting, shaping, or grinding, carbide burrs handle tough jobs with ease. Imagine working on a project and having a tool that doesn't wear out quickly. This reliability keeps your focus on your craft, not on replacing tools. The design of these burrs allows for precise work, which is crucial in plastic trimming. They come in various shapes and sizes to fit different needs, ensuring you have the right tool for every task. By using them, you save time on reshaping or smoothing out errors. Importance in plastic molding. Plastic molding requires precision, and that's exactly what carbide burrs deliver. They cut through plastic cleanly, which minimizes the need for additional finishing. This precision is particularly important when dealing with intricate designs. Have you ever struggled with maintaining the integrity of a detailed piece? Carbide burrs help preserve the details without compromising quality. They also reduce the risk of damaging the molded parts, as their sharp edges require less force to cut through materials. Enhancing your plastic trimming. Boosting your efficiency in plastic trimming can make a significant difference in your output and quality. Let's explore how you can achieve this with the right tools.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.